It is a new month, which means it is time to open our monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. I love getting my Simply Earth subscription box, and I am so excited each month to see what's inside. But before we break into this box, let me tell you a little bit about it. The monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth is a subscription, and you can cancel at any time. The cost is $45 a month. And each month you will get 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Now, along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you will also get the big bonus box. This is absolutely free, and it comes every 6 months with your subscription. So let's open it up. On the months that you receive the big bonus box, your monthly kit will come tucked inside like this. And all the other months, your monthly box will come shipped in its own box. Inside our big bonus box, we have beeswax, 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We have coconut oil. This is the cold pressed. I kind of think of it like shortening. It has that consistency, but will still melt when heated, just like shortening. We have 2 carrier oils, an almond oil, and a fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid coconut oil. Then you'll also get 6 glass amber roll-on bottles, because every month you have a roll-on recipe, and 6 glass amber dropper bottles, because every month you'll have a diffuser recipe. And remember, this bonus box comes absolutely free, no additional charges for this big bonus box. Now, like I mentioned, the monthly essential oil recipe box is $45 a month. But right now, I have a great coupon code to offer you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code TheCraftyFree with no spaces, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that gift card to purchase other supplies in the shop. And isn't that such a great deal? Now, one last thing I want to mention with Simply Earth is that 13% of their profits go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just on their subscription boxes, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, I have made you wait long enough. Let's break open that seal and see what is inside our July monthly essential oil recipe box. Okay, there's a receipt. Now, this is an information sheet. You will not get this. I get this because I am an ambassador of them, but we will go over this in just a minute. So let's start with our oils. We have tangerine, and of course we have to smell them. I love to smell them. That's why I love essential oils. Citrus. Oh, I love it. And tangerine is more of a sweeter smell. Orange, I think, is a little bit more tart. We have eucalyptus. Yep, eucalyptus. It's a very clean scent. Then we have palmarosa. It's a very relaxing scent. Not a light hint of floral. Oh, I like that one a lot. And of course, I am horrible explaining how these smell. So really, you should just get the subscription yourself so you can see what they smell like. And then our blend, every month we have at least one blend that is exclusive to Simply Earth. And this month it is Downtime. Ooh, that is also a very relaxing scent. Ooh, I might go put that in my diffuser as soon as I'm done with this. That smells so good. Okay, then for our extra goodies, we have Natrasorb bath powder, some dried rose petals, and some bath salt soak. Then, of course, we have our matching stickers. If you look here at our Palmarosa bottle and our Spa Day roll-on, which is going to be one of our recipes, those labels match, and I just love it when things match. And then we also have our top of the bottle stickers right there, so we can put those on the tops of our bottles. So if we keep these in a box, we don't have to pull each one out to see what they are. We can just identify them by that top of the bottle sticker. And then this is just a little flyer, more information about some products that they offer. For our recipes, we have Happy Rose Bath Powder, Inhale Exhale Bath Salts, Summer Breeze Bath Salts, Rose Sugar Scrub, Spa Day Roll-On Blend, and Fresh Cut Flowers Diffuser Blend. So now let's come to this little information sheet. Like I said, you will not get this, but I'm fine with going over it with you. You can see July's theme is bath and spa. Then it just breaks down everything that's in the box. But my favorite thing to look at is here on the back, where it says that the value of the box is $137.35, and you get everything for only $44.99. Isn't that such a great deal? It's a great way to start learning about essential oils and the proper way to use them. So if you want to get in on all of this essential oil fun, make sure you go to simplyearth.com and enter in that code, the Crafty Free with no spaces, for your free $45 gift card. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.